Hey everyone, my name is Rafi, and I'm here to help you with a basic setup of how to get started with your WooCommerce Lightspeed POS plugin. So in front of you, we've got a fresh new WordPress site, and before we can actually do anything, I'm actually going to switch over to my Lightspeed dashboard, and I just want to make sure that the user that I'm going to use is either an owner or an admin, and this is going to be the user that I will log in with the integration, and we need to make sure that they're an admin or an owner. Otherwise, the plugin will not have the correct privileges to access the data that it needs to from WooCommerce. So just make sure that you have either an admin or owner user ready to go. Let's switch back to our WordPress site. And first things first, let's go and activate the WooCommerce Lightspeed POS plugin. Of course, you want to make sure that WooCommerce is also enabled. And after enabling it, you should see a Lightspeed menu item on the left-hand side. So in order to start the integration, we have to go to the settings page, and not much to it. There's just a big red button that says connect to Lightspeed. So let's go ahead and do that. And make sure again that the username that you are going to use here is either an admin or an owner on your Lightspeed dashboard, or Lightspeed account rather. So let's click on sign in, and you'll be prompted with Lightspeed page asking you to provide rights. So let's authorize this application, and then WooCommerce, you're going to get this little WooCommerce page saying, hey, this is the website that you came from. So yes, let's confirm that. And now you're back on your WooCommerce site. You could see there's a little green note here saying that we've successfully initialized our API settings. I can see my different Lightspeed stores here. So the next step is you want to make sure that you enable all the different stores. And then you want to select the primary Lightspeed inventory store that you will be syncing your WooCommerce, your e-commerce store with a specific physical store that you have. So let's click on Save Changes. And once you have that set up, you can go to your Lightspeed product importer, and you can actually do a live search of your Lightspeed store. So you can come here and toggle between single and matrix products, and you can see I have this wallet matrix product. I'm gonna check that off, and I only have one option to add it, so I'll click on add and apply, and it's going to add my product. And now if I hover over it, I can import and link it with WooCommerce, or I can just remove it, simply remove it from the table. So let's go ahead and import and link it. And up here, I get a notification saying that the product has successfully been imported and linked with WooCommerce. And if I simply just click on the entry here, it should take me to the WooCommerce product here. And I get a nice notification up here saying it's being actively linked with Lightspeed. If I go down to the variations, you can see the black variation was imported successfully. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you with a basic setup for your WooCommerce Lightspeed POS plugin. Thanks.